Hey everyone, I am Bindu from Crochet Now, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make star stitch pattern. I'll be using a 5mm hook, and to get started I'll make a slip knot and 20 chains. Here I am done with 20 chains, and now I'll be following the steps that I'm gonna show you. I have picked up the yarn from 4 chains and I have 5 loops on my hook now. So now I'll be picking up the yarn again and coming out of all of the 5 loops at once. And I will chain 1, and that is my first star stitch. Now I'll be inserting the hook inside the chain 1 gap that we made at the bottom and in the next 2 stitches, and we'll be picking up the yarn from all of these gaps. We will get 5 loops now, and I'll pick up the yarn and come out of all of the 5 loops again. You can see the star shape coming out already. Now I will repeat the same sequence of stitches until the end of the row. Here I am at the end of the row and I have one more chain left. So I'll be finishing the previous stitch by making chain 1, and I'll be making a double crochet inside the last chain. Remember that whenever you're doing this row, you'll have to make a double crochet inside the last chain. To go to the next row, I will chain 2 and turn my work. Now we'll be making 2 half double crochets inside the eye of the previous stitch. So there, there, there and there. So we should be doing 2 half double crochets in the spaces that I have shown you until the end of the row. I am at the end of the row and I have 2 more half double crochets to be done inside the last eyelet. And I'll be making 1 more half double crochet inside this space. To go to the next row, I will chain 3 and I'll turn my work like that. Now I'll be inserting the hook inside the second chain from the hook and inside the next chain and the next 2 stitches of the previous row. After that, I'll pick up the yarn and come out of all of the 5 loops at once. Now I'll start repeating the steps that I've shown you in row 1 until the end of the row. Please note that we have to follow row sequence in this stitch pattern. That is, we'll be repeating row 1 and row 2 continuously until the desired length. Here we have made foundation chains and then we worked star stitches in the first row, and in the next row we have done half double crochets inside the eye of the star stitch of the previous row. So I'll be making a couple of these rows to show you how the star stitch pattern is going to look like. Here I'm done with 20 rows, and that's how beautiful the stitch is looking like. Don't you think this is amazing? I hope you loved the video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep crocheting.